15 surprising health benefits of drinking pineapple juice. 1. Immune booster and inflammation fighter. 2. Helps to detoxify the body and mind. 3. Incredibly great for vision. 4. It is a heart-healthy drink. 5. Regulates blood pressure. 6. It is cancer protective. 7. Strengthen your gums. 8. Promotes healthy digestion. 9. Treats ulcerative colitis. 10. Good for arthritic patients. 11. Reduces menstrual cramps. 12. Pineapple juice supports healthy skin. 13. Cures asthma, cough, and sinusitis. 14. Strengthen the bones. 15. Prevents signs of aging. Pineapple juice nutrient profile. Energy, 132 calories. Water, 215 grams. Fiber, half a gram. Calcium, 32 milligrams. Iron, 0.78 milligrams. Magnesium, 30 milligrams. Manganese, 1.26 milligrams. Phosphorus, 20 milligrams. Potassium, 325 milligrams. Sodium, 5 milligrams. Vitamin A, 12 IU. Folate, 45 micrograms. Vitamin C, 25 milligrams. Choline, 8.2 milligrams. For more information, subscribe my channel.